Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add text in Davinci Resolve 18. So first things first, let's go ahead and insert our video, and from here I'm just going to right click this video and select the first one here, create new timeline, and click create. Alright, there you go. So this is now my clip. If I'm going to try to play this for you guys, you should be able to see it here. So yeah, that's how it looks, and then we're just going to add a text here because it seems like it's pretty boring. So what I'm going to do is go here in the effects tab. Under toolbox, you are going to see here titles, and then you have a lot of title options here available for you guys. Now if you want to check everything without having to add it to your timeline, what you're going to do is you're just going to hover over to the mouse from left to right, just like so, and you will be seeing how it looks like. And yeah, that's basically how it looks like. Now we're going to add a basic one. So this one here, basic title, it doesn't basically have any effects on it. And the next thing that I'm going to do is just drag this across the timeline. Right, there you go. Now the next thing that we are going to do in order for us to edit here, because it just says basic title, we're just going to double click this one here, and the inspector tab should come out just like that. And then you can start editing this here. So I'm just going to edit it like this. And as you can see, the text goes way past the border, so we're going to edit that one here. What you're going to do is you're just going to go here, and basically you're going to go to the part and then click enter, and there you go. Something like this should happen. Now the next thing that we're going to do is to scroll down here, and you should see here font family. Basically there are a lot of family options for you to choose from. You also have here font face, color, size, tracking, line spacing, and so many others to choose from. Basically what I want you to do is kind of like experiment and see which one fits the best, or see which one you likes the best. Now once everything is done, you're just going to export this one, and congratulations everybody, that is how you're going to add text in Davinci Resolve 18.